You see that now the CNC fires and have been putting and that process by the plywood and here coming. As we see that there, yes, you see that now it's working. Whole plywood board was cutting one by one side, another side. Yeah, the machine is working. So if you want to do the customer designs, I will just put the one simple. It means your simple we need put with the whole plywood board. The simple some part of can be used, but other part of cannot use and will be waste. So this is a simple why is very expensive. As this part of it can be working, but as you see that some part of cannot use, so will be got waste some materials. Okay, there.